Hey all, I wanted to take a quick minute and just talk about my experience at the Arogya Nature Cure Clinic. Just to give some context, I have been suffering from some neck and back pains for last couple of years, mainly due to bad postures. It's quite common, these days in the younger generation, and I've seen a lot of my friends also going through the same stuff. I mean, yeah, I was in Delhi, and in middle of this pandemic, the pain aggravated, and I was looking for a good naturopath to visit. And coincidentally, I ended up, meeting Dr. Amit. Talking about both the doctors, Dr. Amit and Dr. Suparna, I think they are two of the most beautiful people I've met, and the way they take care of their patients, and the way they treat their patients with all the love and care. I think that's something which I've never seen in my life. I really want to thank both of them from the bottom of my heart, for the 7-day treatment that I got, in which not just that I got like a lot of relief from my pain, but also learned about the various naturopathic practices, about yoga, about meditation, about food, and also understanding the importance of healthy lifestyle. I think I'm really glad and grateful for having met both the doctors, and I really consider them my mentors. I think they have really given a different perspective of how fitness can be looked upon, and how it's not so tough. I think it's all about consistency and some particular lifestyle changes which one needs to make, and take control of their health in their own hands. Anybody who's sort of suffering from any pain and disease, I would recommend to come speak to Dr. Amit or Dr. Suparna at their clinic, and be assured of everything else. The kind of just trust them, and just hand yourself to them without worrying, without thinking too much. And if you think, they'll catch you anyways. But I suggest that you come, pay them a visit, and really discover the magic with which they treat their patients, and also understand the how efficient and how easy naturopathic treatments can be compared to other treatments where there is a lot of medicine. This is a practice where there are minimal resources used. In last 7 days, I particularly did not take any medicines. It was all through the natural therapies and yoga and meditation. And I would suggest go try it out, and you get a chance to meet two very beautiful people also, right? Thank you, Dr. Amit, and thank you, Dr. Suparna, again. I'm just gonna repeat this, but I think I consider you as my mentor, both of you, and I think I've learned a lot of things which I will carry forward for the rest of my life. So grateful for this. Thank you.